Google Finance is a free tool from Google that helps you track stocks, markets, and financial news in real time. Perfect for investors and anyone who wants to stay updated on market trends. So when you visit google.com/finance, you'll land on the home dashboard, which shows the latest market trends, top gainers and losers, and major indexes like the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. To look up a specific stock, just type the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar. So you can just type in Apple, for example, and you'll see a detailed overview, including the live price, daily chart, market cap, P/E ratio, and recent news related to that company. You can also click Compare to analyze multiple stocks in one chart. There you go, this is the button, Compare to. You search for the other stock and compare them both. And switch between them in different time frames from 1 day to up to 5 years. If you sign in with your Google account, you can create a watch list to track your favorite stocks and cryptocurrencies. There's your watch list, and you can add multiple stuff to it. And this list automatically syncs across your devices. And that's how you use the finance websites, a clean, powerful, and free way to monitor stocks, news, and trends all in one place.